Assalamu alaikum, this is Mr. Eslam. Our lesson today about the Pythagorean Theorem and its converse. The Pythagorean Theorem is the relation between the sides and the right angle triangle. Suppose that we have a right angle triangle at C. That's angle A and that's angle B. So the side which opposite to the angle A is equal to A. The difference between A capital and A small, A capital for the angle and A small for the side. So the side which opposite to the right angle will be the hypotenuse, which name is C. So the side which opposite to the angle B is called B. Now we have a relation. The area of the square which is drawn on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the area of the two squares which is drawn on the two legs of the triangle. So if we have a square drawn on the hypotenuse, its area will be equal to the sum of the two areas of the two squares which is drawn on the two legs. As we know that the area of the square will be equal to the side times itself. So we start finding from C. So the area of the square which is drawn on the hypotenuse equals C to the power 2. Which is side times itself, will be equals the sum, it's mean plus the sum of the two area of the two squares which is drawn on the two legs. So it will be A squared plus B squared. It's mean to find C will be equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. Now to find one of the legs will be equal to the square root of C squared minus B squared. To find B will be equal to the square root of C squared minus A squared. Now that's the relation that we have if we need to find one of the missing. If the hypotenuse is the missing, so we add the two legs. If the one of the legs is missing, so we subtract the hypotenuse minus the other leg. Now how we can find the value of x? To find the value of x, we need to determine whether the missing is the leg or hypotenuse. So for the first one, we have the missing is the leg. We said before, if the missing is the leg, so you need to subtract the square root of 25 power 2 minus 22 power 2. Then it's mean x is equal to the square root of 25 power 2 minus 22 power 2. By using the calculator, then we can find that x is equal to root 141. And number 2, we need to find the value of x. But for number 2, the missing is the hypotenuse. We said before, to find the hypotenuse, we need to add the two legs. So we can say that x is equal to the square root of 15 squared plus 6 squared. Then x is equal to 3 root 29.